Okay, dimensional analysis, section 3.1, or excuse me, 3.3, practice sheet number 1, problem number 18. So here we go with problem number 18. It reads, if a swimmer swims 85.4 yards in 5 minutes, how many meters will she swim in 70 seconds? So we look at all the problems or all the numbers that are in here. Time we're not going to worry about. We're not going to worry about this one, so that we have 3 significant figures. So there we go. There's our 3 sig figs. So our answer needs to be in 3 significant figures. Okay. If you twisted my arm, I might even go with unlimited. And you'd have to tell me why, though. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and start off. And with our knowns and our unknowns. So our known that we have is our known is 70 seconds. Now again, I didn't put that in the correct number of figures that was in there because I'm not worrying about it at now. And this other number that we have in here, 85.4 yards in 5 seconds, is a conversion factor. So that is we have our conversion factor of 85.4 yards. That's going to be per 5 minutes. Okay. What is unknown? Unknown is, I'm just going to add this back on this side, is distance. If she swam. And we can put that in anything. So we're going to look for the distance. That means that we're going to be in meters. So let's go ahead and start off the problem. So we're going to start off with what we know. That's going to be the 70 seconds. What's next? That's right. Time and a line. And so we're going to convert from seconds to minutes. Or I can, convert from minutes to use the other one. So, but we're going to convert to minutes right here. So in order to do that, I have to put seconds on the bottom. Right? We're going to put 60 seconds. And we'll underline that, make that black. And we're going to put 1 minute on the top. And make sure that that's underlined. Okay. Now we've got it in minutes. And once I have it in minutes, I can use my conversion factor because it's in minutes to get the number of yards. But I need it in yards. I need it in meters. So we'll go ahead and convert it to yards first, then convert it to meters. Okay. So we have it in that. So we're going to go ahead and put our times in a line. We're going to put our conversion factor. So we're going to start off just the way it is. We got minutes up here. So I got to put minutes on the bottom. We're going to put 5 minutes on the bottom. And we're going to put 85.4 yards on the top. And we're going to go ahead and underline that too. Now we don't have it in yards or in meters yet. We have it in yards. So now I got to convert from yards to meters. So we're going to put our handy dandy times in a line again. And we're going to go ahead and put yards on the bottom. Yards. And we're going to put meters on the top. Here's our problem. I don't know what the conversion factor is, so I got to look at the packet. So I'm going to pull back over to the packet. And I said I'm going to go from yards to meters. Now, I do like looking at the question, and I got yards on the bottom. I like yards with 1, but let's see if that works out. Let's find yard over here. Okay, there's a yard. And that's how many meters it is right there. So I can go ahead and use that. 1 yard equals 0.9144 meters. So let's go back to that problem. And we're going to say that 1 yard equals 0.9144 meters. We're going to highlight this, or underline it, excuse me. I keep on saying highlight it. And we can put our equals in there. Now when I go ahead and look at this, I see that it looks like we can cancel out some of our units. So we're going to take our yards straight through, since I have it on top and bottom. our minutes. And our seconds. Now, I could say, oh, you don't have to worry about any of that stuff because I make it faster for you, but then I just give you 10 times the number of problems. Okay, so I want you to be precise with all these things, making sure that everything's doing it. So how many meters will she swim? It's in meters. It looks like it should be good from there. So we're going to go back over to our calculator and go ahead and put in. So we're going to take 70 seconds, multiply by 1, divide by 60. Okay. Then we're going to multiply by 85.4 and then divide by 5. I don't think if that did that right. Let me just redo that over again. So we're going to take 70 divided by 60. Then we're going to multiply by 85.4. Then we're going to divide by 5. And then we're going to multiply by 0.9144. And I don't have to divide by that 1. Hit equal, I end up with 18.220944. And that's going to be meters. But I need it in 3 significant figures. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this number right here. We're going to highlight this just a little bit. And so I look at this number. It says we're going to drop that off. So our correct answer, that is rounded right, is going to be 18.2. Drop everything else off, meters. And that's in 3 significant figures. Looks like everything's corrected. Let me know if I made a mistake. Okay, so this looks good. We're going to go ahead and highlight that. And that would be our answer for question number 18.